Hi! So you are here because you want to learn the English alphabet sounds. Great! I can help you with that. Welcome to WordWork, where we put words to work, word by word. Watch to the end to learn the sound of the letter in this video. I know you will be happy and come back for more lessons on this channel. Let's get started. This lesson has 2 parts. This will be part 1. I want you to learn 1 letter. Look at the letter. Learn the first sound of the letter. Repeat after me. E. E. Now let's look at 2 words with this sound. Email. Email. Eagle. Eagle. Pause the video. Look at the letter. Look at the shape of the letter. Write the letter. Try to repeat the sound on your own. Let's review. E. E. Email. Email. Eagle. Eagle. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.